Hi Donald, I'm Joe Johnson. This is the 08 Avalanche. You'll see it's diamond white in color. You also see it is GM certified, so you get all the benefits of the GM certified warranty. Good at any GM dealer nationwide. This truck is extremely well equipped. You'll notice the power running boards. Open the door to get in, they come down, shut the door, and they will go back up out of the way. Inside, like I say, very nicely equipped. It's got adjustable pedals. They will move closer to you or farther away to make your driving position more comfortable. Full power seat, including lumbar, which is nice because you can actually move the lumbar up or down in the back of the seat to suit your back. It does have the 5.3 liter V8, which will cut back to 4 cylinders at the right condition going down the highway. And you'll see in your instrument panel, it tells you if you're in 4-cylinder or 8-cylinder. So you can actually watch that as you're driving, and it'll give you your instant fuel mileage. So it's a great tool if you want to use it for getting better gas mileage while you're driving. You'll see it does have navigation, automatic temperature control. It's got heated windshield washer fluid. It does have the sunroof and also the rear DVD entertainment system. For safety, this vehicle also has front multi-stage airbags, and it also has side curtain airbags, front and back seats. And of course, it does have electronic stability control. It has backup alarms. The sensors are down here in the back bumper. It also has a backup camera, which is mounted right up here. Also for safety, you'll notice green caps on the tires. We run hydrogen in the tires instead of air, again adding to the safety. You can see it's a nice clean vehicle. Again, Donald, my name is Joe Johnson. You can contact me here at the store, 208-263-2138, or email joe@taylor-parker.com. Thanks a lot, Donald.